How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to improve your posture easy in only 3 minutes. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So improving your posture, a lot of people have rounded shoulders. The point of getting a good posture is retracting the shoulders and contracting the upper back. If you can get your shoulders to be back, which most people don't right now because they have poor posture, if you can do that, you're going to have a really, really good posture. So the first exercise we're going to do is a contracting and a retracting of the shoulder blade exercise. So what we want to do, we want to go like this, and then all we're going to do is we're going to do a reverse fly, a reverse chest fly like this. When you do this, your shoulders will go back, and you want to squeeze your upper back when you're doing this. So right there, squeeze your upper back. Squeeze your upper back. This not only starts developing a little bit of muscle in that upper back, it's going to help to pull the shoulders back. And this will get you really, really, really good posture. Perfect. Again, most people have poor posture because a lot of people have jobs where they're at computers all day or they're on their phones all day. It naturally rounds your shoulders. Next exercise that we are going to do, you guys, works really, really well is raising our chest. Again, raising our chest naturally retracts our shoulders. So you're going to go like this, raise your chest. And you can literally see, watch rounded shoulders, then look, shoulders are back, upper back is contracted. I'm in a perfect posture position. That's 4, 5, 6. Try to get 10 reps. Again, if you're not used to doing these exercises, you might be a little bit sore, but it shouldn't be too bad. And again, it's just doing these workouts, you guys. Once you start doing that movements more and more, your back will start to, your shoulder blades will retract, your upper back will look better. Next exercise is going to be a chest opener exercise. When we do this, you can actually see your shoulders being retracted. So hands here, all you're going to do is you're going to move your hands back, and then we're going to push our chest forward. So just like this. And you can see when I'm about right here, I'm in a perfect posture position. And this is what we want. So 1. Just like that, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.